Hello guys, welcome to the Jet Fighter channel, where we discuss and learn the most interesting topics about combat aircraft. In this video, we are going to talk about the world's most lethal 5th generation stealth jet fighter aircraft, the F-22 Raptor.
I'm Major Paul Loco Lopez, a member of the 2019 F-22 Raptor demonstration. The F-22 Raptor behind me is America's premier air dominance fighter. It's a multi-role fighter capable of air-to-air and air-to-ground missions. Some of the things that the Raptor is known for are our stealth capability, as well as our maneuverability that we get a chance to showcase each week at air shows, as well as the sensor integration and fusion.
First of all, I highly recommend you guys to press that subscribe and like button if you haven't already, because we upload weekly videos on this channel with footages about the most iconic jet fighters, and you don't want to miss this out. So let's get started.
To the F-22 demonstration team superintendent and the voice of the F-22 Raptor. Being the voice of the F-22 Raptor, I give a voice to the actual aircraft while Major Lopez is doing his maneuvers in the sky. The aircraft weighs about 60,000 pounds and it can put out about 70,000 pounds of thrust. So each engine can put out 35,000 pounds. That's how we're able to actually do a lot of the maneuver that we're doing. So when you see Major Lopez flipping the aircraft through the vertical and just doing crazy maneuvers with the aircraft, we're allowed to do that because, again, 70,000 pounds of thrust being put out and the aircraft weighs about 60,000 pounds. The aircraft can go up to about 60,000 feet in the air on one tank of gas with both of its external tanks. It can go about 1,800 miles. So the aircraft can go to speeds at Mach 2. That is 2 times the speed of sound. So what you can do in a regular car at 60 miles an hour is about a mile a minute. We can do 20 miles a minute.
The Lockheed Martin F-22 Raptor is a single-seat, twin-engine, all-weather stealth tactical fighter aircraft developed for the United States Air Force, the result of the USAF Advanced Tactical Fighter program. The aircraft was designed primarily as an air superiority fighter, but also has ground attack, electronic warfare, and signal intelligence capabilities. The prime contractor, Lockheed Martin, built most of the F-22's airframe and weapon systems.
When you show up the first day to fly, the jitters don't stop. It seems like they grow exponentially, and because this is your first time that you're going to fly this multi-million-dollar premier air dominance fighter by yourself.
Its combination of stealth, aerodynamic performance, and avionics systems enable unprecedented air combat capabilities. Service officials had originally planned to buy a total of 750 units. In 2009, the program was cut to 187 operational production aircraft.
Second Lieutenant Sam Eckler, and I serve as the Public Affairs Officer for the world's only F-22 Raptor demonstration team. It's my job to handle all of the photo, video, and run the social media accounts that we have for our team. Now we have thousands and thousands of fans who love the Raptor all over the world, so being able to provide them a behind-the-scenes look on what we do day in and day out is just an incredible opportunity for me to engage with those prospective pilots and people who dream of one day becoming a Raptor pilot. Give them tips and tricks, give them that exclusive look of what the Raptor.
The F-22 Raptor is a 5th generation fighter that is considered 4th generation in stealth aircraft technology by the USAF. It is the first operational aircraft to combine supercruise, stealth, and sensor fusion in a single weapons platform. The F-22 has 4 empennage surfaces, retractable tricycle landing gear, and clipped delta wings with reverse trailing edge sweep and leading edge extensions. If you liked this video, please don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button, share it to friends, and comment below.